Okay, so this is 7 a.m. I'm boarding this bus behind me, which will take me to Deshnok, which is 30 kilometers away from this town. And there's a very famous temple by the name of Karni Mata Temple. It is also known as Temple of Rats, and it is very famous. It has, I guess, 25,000 black rats. It is a sight to watch.
पधारो हमारे देश, पधारो हमारे देश में, पधारो हमारे देश में।
Okay, I've arrived to this temple and it is 30 kilometers from Bikaner. The temple is by the name of Karni Mata Temple. It is also known as Temple of Rats and it's one of its kind in India. It was constructed in earlier 20th century in a late Mughal style by Maharaja Ganga Singh of Bikaner. People from all across the country and also from other countries come here to pay their respect to these rats and in an aspiration of turning their desires into reality. The temple witnesses a huge number of visitors owing to the presence of these rats, and the food chewed by these rats is considered auspicious. Out of thousands of rats, there are a few white rats which are especially considered holy and are believed to be the manifestation of Karni Mata and her four sons. Getting to see those white rats is a special blessing. People put extensive effort to see them and they also offer prasad to them. It is believed that there are 10 to 12 white rats in this whole temple. It is believed that whatever the visitors wish for, it is fulfilled and then they are supposed to come back and pay their visits again to this temple. According to people here, it is believed that Karni Mata's son Lakshman was actually drowned in a pond here while drinking water, and then Karni Mata asked Yamraj, the god of death, to revive him, and surprisingly the god of death Yamraj agreed to this with one condition, that Karni Mata and her sons would be reincarnated as rats. Two grand melas take place in this temple throughout the year during Navratras, which is in the month of April and October, and people travel long distance through foot just to arrive to this temple, and have just missed the Navratras by 2 days. After the Navratras ended, one huge Bhakt of Karni Mata decided to prepare 158 quintal of prasad and distribute to the people visiting the temple.
करनी माता का मंदिर है। ये क्या है कि यहाँ पर जो चूहे हैं उनको हम काबा बोलते हैं। ये काबा एक्चुअल में क्या है कि यहाँ की लोकल कास्ट है सारण बेपा हो जाती है। उनके घरों में जो आदमी होता है और उनकी डेथ हो जाती है, तो यहाँ पर वो चूहा यानी काबा बन जाता है, और वही काबा जब मरता है तो वो वापस घरों में सारण जाति के घरों में चूहा आदमी के रूप में जन्म लेता है, जिनको हम काबा बोलते हैं। और ये काबा क्या है कि चूहों से बिल्कुल अलग है। उनको हम चूहा जो घरों में होता है ना, ये बिल्कुल अलग है। चूहे जब घरों में मरते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि वो उनकी मरते हैं तब बदबू आती है, और इनकी कोई बदबू नहीं थी, वो ये चूहों से बिल्कुल अलग है।
You need to pay some amount to actually shoot or take pictures here. So I've paid 60 rupees to get my shooting done. The music here is played 24 hours by these people, and they selflessly devote their time to this beautiful place.